Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP USD, pound US dollar. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis, and do not forget to check out the Forex analysis playlist on my channel for the analysis of other pairs. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of GBP USD in front of us right now. And if you have watched my previous video on GBP USD, then I would like to say that things have not changed much. Almost all the critical levels in the chart of GBP USD are still intact. You can see that I have got many lines drawn here on the chart. So let me discuss one by one if you are new to the channel. Okay. First and foremost, you can see that I have got two red lines here drawn on the chart, and this red line above is acting as a dynamic resistance for the market, whereas this line is acting as a dynamic support for the market. You can see that whenever market is going up, it is coming down or facing selling pressure at the trend line. Therefore, this trend line is acting as a dynamic resistance for the market. And right now, market is trading above this dynamic resistance. Therefore, the validity of this resistance is in danger, or you can say that slowly this resistance level is losing its validity. Okay, on the other hand, we have got this line drawn here, which is the support of the market. You can see that whenever market is coming down, it is jumping or bouncing from this support level. Therefore, this is a resistance and this is a support. Clear? These two are the important level for the market right now. If you do not have got these lines in your trading platform, then I'll request you, my dear friend, please draw these lines so that you can understand the analysis better, so that you can understand the market better. So apart from these two lines, I have got another line here. Okay. Before jumping to this line, let me tell you one thing that, okay, if you look at the chart here, then you can clearly see that this market is in downtrend, and as we all know, thumb rule of the market says we should always follow the trend. Following the trend means if a market is in downtrend, we should mainly looking for selling opportunities. On the other hand, if a market is in uptrend, we should mainly look for buying opportunities. And this market is in downtrend, and as the thumb rule of the market says, we should mainly look for shorting opportunities. And as we all know, the area of value, or the best trading opportunity, or the best shorting opportunity in a downtrend market is always near the resistance. And right now, market is trading above the resistance. That's the funny part. Okay. So what we should do right now? So before jumping to the strategy, I would like to take you to the weekly chart, because if you have watched my other videos, then you know it pretty well that I'm a fan of multi-time frame analysis. So if you go to weekly chart here, then you can clearly see that previous week there was heavy selling pressure in the market, but still market managed to just close at the support level, and this support level is extremely important for the market, 1.3745. This level is extremely important for the market, because this is the level that is providing support to the market for a long time. You can see that since February, March, whenever market is going down, this is the level that providing support to the market. So this level is no joke. In the previous week, when market crossed the support, still buyers came in, they pushed the price upside, and ultimately somehow market managed to close at this support. Therefore, there is a good possibility that market will bounce from here. And looking at the price rejection from below in the previous week, there is a good possibility that market will see some buying power this week. Instead of shorting order, okay, we should mainly look for buying opportunities, because this is the weekly chart. This is the chart of the big boys. So let's mark this level here. Now let's switch to the 4 hours time frame again. So right now you can see that, okay, I have removed these trend lines here. So if after removing the trend lines, you can see that right now though market has crossed the resistance level, this trend line, but market is just standing above the support level on the weekly chart. And as we all know, this level this level is extremely important for the market, because this level is providing support to the market since March, since February, and this is a new one. So this level is extremely important for the market, but this level is not. This level has got power. This level does not have the power. So looking at the present condition of the market, what I'm saying is that there is a good possibility that we may see market going up from here. Instead of market going down, there is a possibility that market going up from here. And if we look at the Forex sentiment meter, okay, you will find the Forex sentiment meter on my website avillashhazarika.com. Under Forex 101 section, you will find the Forex sentiment meter. In the Forex sentiment meter, you can see that 71% retail traders have taken short position, and 28% retail traders have taken long position. And as we all know, 90% retail traders lose money. More than 90% retail traders lose money, and they have taken short position. And we have clearly seen on the chart right now that market is standing at the support level on the weekly chart, and weekly chart is no joke. Weekly chart is extremely crucial and vital for the market. Okay. Therefore, do not follow the retail traders and do your proper analysis. So if you want to go for a buy order right now, then what I'll suggest is that if you want to go for a buy order, you can go for a small buy position right now, or what you can do is that you can wait for one candle here. To be honest, after seeing this red candle, at least I'll wait for one candle. If the next candle is also bullish or gives you the confirmation that market is respecting this support level, in simple words, if you find the next candle also trading above this support level on the chart, then my dear friend, you can go for a buy order. But keep in mind that follow proper risk management. Following risk management is extremely crucial, extremely important, because this is market. Traders like you, traders like me, we do not decide the direction of the market. We can do analysis, we can be wrong also, I can be wrong also. Therefore, follow proper risk management and do not risk more than 2 to 3% of your trading capital. That's my request. Okay. On the other hand, if you see market market coming down again, okay, if you see market coming down again, if you see market crossing this trend line with good volume, or if you see market crossing this trend line with a big red candle like this, then you can short the market. Because if you look at the dollar index chart here, then dollar is bullish, and dollar is if you look at the chart, it seems that dollar is about to go up from here. So market may go down also, but looking at the present setup of the market, what I'm feeling is that market may go up. There is a good possibility that market may go up. So wait for one candle. If it bounces from here, go for a buy. If you want to buy right now, you can go for buy. But please follow proper risk management. Do not risk more than 2 to 3% of your trading capital, because we do not decide the direction of the market. I can be wrong, you can be wrong. So wait for one candle, or if market crosses this trend line, then you can short the market, but again wait for one candle at least. That's it. Hopefully you've understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See ya tomorrow again.